The warning headlight system error in your Nissan means that the electrical system in the car has detected an incorrect resistance level from one of the functions in the headlights. This may be daytime running lights, low beam, high beam, or blinkers. Depending on the functions that trigger the headlight system error, you will get this message at different times. For example, if the DRL triggers the error, you will receive the message immediately after starting the car. If it's the low beam, you will only get the message when you turn on the low beam. The problem is that Nissan headlights have a diagnostic system that measures resistance from each light bulb or light module. Once something is wrong with the resistance, you receive the message. If you install a used headlight or just another headlight that didn't originally come with your vehicle from the manufacturer, you will most likely see this error, just because the resistance levels may be a little off. Also, if you have any issue with the connector, like corrosion or loose pins, the headlight may still be working perfectly, but the resistance will be off, so the system will register this as a fault and throw the warning. Also, LED daytime running lights are very often the culprits. Since once just one LED burns out, the DRL module will change its resistance, and this will throw the headlight system error warning. There are two ways to fix this. First, you can pay a lot of money for a diagnostic and probably buy the new headlight, which is insanely expensive. Or alternatively, there is a barbaric way to fix this warning, which will work unless there is something obviously broken in the headlight. So if the headlight works properly, all you need to do is short two pins in the main headlight connector. These two pins with black and yellow wires on the Nissan Rogue, for example, send the data to the CAN bus. And if you short them, the system will stop diagnosing resistance in the headlight. You may just take any piece of copper wire, take out the insulation and make a jumper wire, then short those two pins and plug the connector back in. After that, you will not get the message anymore.